In a world that never stops screaming, silence is rare. Kindness feels outdated. Peace seems like a myth. And hope is buried beneath notifications, wars of words, and invisible battles no one sees. Every scroll drains the soul. Every headline chips away at belief. What happened to light? What happened to meaning? This world feels toxic, loud and fast, judgmental, but deep inside, a flame refuses to die. A whisper still says, this isn't the end, because somewhere between the chaos and the silence, a new heartbeat begins. HopeCore, not flashy, not loud, but unbreakable. It lives in early mornings, in quiet prayers, in the unspoken courage of rising again. It thrives where no one watches. It grows where pressure breaks others. Hope isn't given, it's chosen. Hope isn't soft, it's steel in disguise. Hope is that moment when everything says give up, and something inside whispers, try again. The world may not change overnight, but you can rise through it, not by noise, but by depth. Every drop of discipline is a rebellion against the chaos. Every act of kindness, a revolution in silence. Every day you show up, you're building resistance, not to the world, but to the poison inside it. This is HopeCore, not cute quotes, not fake smiles, but raw power, built in the dark, forged by fire, fueled by something no one else can see. Let them scream, let them judge, let the world burn with noise. You burn with purpose. This isn't toxic positivity, this is toxic resilience. Because even in a world full of decay, some still dare to grow. Hope is not pretending it's all okay. Hope is saying, I will rise, even if it's not. Welcome to HopeCore, built daily, fought for nightly, never loud, always real.